Health benefits of watermelon. Whenever you slice a chilled watermelon, then it is like a celebration in summer. Watermelon is a powerhouse of minerals and vitamins, and it keeps you hydrated for the whole day because it consists of 90% of water. It's a tasty fruit with a red flesh in its core. Watermelon has lots of health benefits, such as it's good for the heart, enhances our immunity level, and improves our vision. It can be used in many recipes, and you can also use it as smoothies or juice. In today's video, we are going to share 8 amazing health benefits of watermelon. Number 1. Watermelon improves our heart health. Do you know that watermelon is a rich source of vitamin C? Yes. According to the research, it prevents the hardening of arteries. And not only this, it also increases the elasticity of our blood vessels. It reduces high blood pressure because it contains the right amount of magnesium and potassium. A study found that potassium-rich foods have a positive role in reducing the risk of heart conditions, such as stroke. Another ingredient known as lycopene is also found in watermelon, which reduces the inflammation and improves our lipid profiles as well. Number 2. Get rid of dehydration. According to the research which is published in International Journal, states that watermelon is a tropical fruit and it is made up of 92% of water, so it maintains our body temperature and blood pressure. As we all know that nature has its own phenomena behind anything, so same is the case with watermelon. It keeps you hydrated during the summer. If you want to prevent yourself from the heat stroke, then consume watermelon daily during the summer season. Do you know that watermelon stimulates the release of sweat, which keeps us fresh in the summer season? Number 3. It controls diabetes. Have you ever spent some time with a diabetic patient? If yes, then you must know that they always complain of low energy because of the low sugar diet. These patients can make use of watermelon as a supplement. Despite its sweet taste, it is low in calories because more than 90% of this fruit consists of water. In spite of these, watermelon provides our body with minerals and vitamins, such as magnesium and potassium, which play their role in the proper functioning of insulin. The patients having diabetes can make use of this fruit in salads, steaks, and barbecue as well, because it is low in sugar content. Number 4. Watermelon relieves muscle soreness. Another fantastic benefit of watermelon is its ability to promote the recovery of muscles. It plays a significant role to relieve the aches and muscle soreness. Do you know that athletes make use of watermelon juice for their muscles recovery? Yes, because watermelon juice is a powerhouse of vitamin C and it has healing properties to protect your bones and cartilage. It also speeds up the healing of wounds. Magnesium and potassium, the 2 magical nutrients present in watermelon, are essential for the pain relief, and cramps especially occurred from the exercise and the injury. Number 5. Watermelon helps in detoxification. As we all know that melon consists of more than 90% of water, so it helps the body to get rid of excess water and also relieves the problem of swelling and bloating. As we all know that magnesium and potassium, the 2 magical minerals found in watermelon, are essential for the process of detoxification because they act as an electrolyte and helps to manage the flow of the blood by keeping our hydration level within limits. Magnesium prevents our body from water retention and makes us lose some weight, so in this way watermelon helps in detoxification. Number 6. Watermelon improves our vision. As we all know that nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, zeaxanthin, lutein, and beta-carotene protect our eyes from damage. So watermelon contains all these nutrients. Watermelon supplies our body with beta-carotene and vitamin A, so it reduces muscles degeneration and improves our vision as well. Number 7. It relieves us from acid reflux. Another great benefit of watermelon is that it helps to reduce acidity and acid reflux in the gastrointestinal tract. It also reduces inflammation by regulating the level of pH in the body. Number 8. Watermelon skin benefits. Watermelons contains antioxidants, which are essential for a healthy skin. as it is high in antioxidant. It also protects our skin from cell damage and aging. Vitamin A and vitamin C protect our skin from ultraviolet damage as well. Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video. Always stay tuned and subscribe our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest updates.